Welcome to all of you in Quality Progress. Quality Progress provide training, certifications, and consultancy in globally. So for training program, Quality Progress providing certified Lean Six Sigma certification training. You'll be able to master black belt by Quality Progress certification body. This is the independent certification program. As well as Quality Progress providing the certified QMS auditor, certified TQM practitioners, and others certification also under Quality Progress. And Quality Progress started consultancy in globally based on quality management systems, implementations, effective ISO 9001 QMS implementation and certification preparations, and for any kinds of manufacturing QMS and technical audit preparations, as well as compliance and social audit preparations, as well as Lean Six Sigma, TQM, manufacturing excellence, operational excellence, business excellence, and others, TQM, etc. Projects and implementations, and also Quality Progress providing the solutions regarding Lean, Six Sigma, TQM, QMS, ISO 9001, and any kinds of consultancy regarding those points. So basically, Quality Progress started also another standard in globally MRES, Mustafiz Rahman Excellence System. So there is a 12 pillar is there. So we worked from Quality Progress to provide all kinds of service like training, certifications, and consultancy. So we are trying to our best to all of you that give the best supports to be the partner to make easier all everythings and face all everythings in easily by getting consultancy from Quality Progress. So Quality Progress always with you. You can stay with us, get our training, course, support, consultancy, and certification services. So Quality Progress always with you. Anytime you can connect with us, anytime. So hopefully we try to our best from Quality Progress to do best things for all of you. So that's all. Thanks. Bye.